Swimmer's itch. Introduction. Can you only catch swimmer's itch in a chlorinated pool? Select yes or no. Correct. You can get swimmer's itch from swimming in fresh or salt water. You cannot get swimmer's itch in a pool that is chlorinated. Scratching bumps caused by swimmer's itch may cause an infection. Select true or false. Correct. Signs of an infection may include a fever, red streaks, or pus. The most important thing you can do to help treat swimmer's itch is to avoid scratching. Select true or false. Correct. You can treat itchiness with certain baths and anti-itch creams. How can you prevent swimmer's itch? Choose one of the following options. 1. Report cases of swimmer's itch to your local DNR. 2. Avoid marshy areas of water. 3. Towel yourself dry right after you get out of the water. 4. All of the above. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.